Hi, my name is Vaishali Chakravarty and I'm from New Delhi. I'm a theatre actor and an educator. I come to Kochi every month to work with children in Kochi, and the Kerala Museum has been a venue which I visit almost every time I come. The workshop that we are having at the Kerala Museum is on 4 different aspects of theatre: voice, speech, clowning and miming. So it started on 11th of May. The first 3 days we were working on voice and speech, and we did some theatre making. And the next 3 days, 14th, 15th and 16th, we are on 15th today, we are working on clowning and miming. So children are of age between 8 and 12, and it's a real fun workshop. And because we are working with our bodies and our facial expressions and our voice, it makes the children enjoy every bit of the workshop. So this workshop primarily is, the intention of the workshop is not to really train the children to become actors, but to give a little idea about what drama can actually do. So it is not about the product that we are creating, but the process of it. And children come up with their own stories, their own characters, they make their own movements, and they design their own costumes. So everything is done by the children, and somewhere it gives the children the freedom to think and decide and take decisions. And through this entire process of working in drama, we are actually working on their life skills.
ഇവിടെ ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത് മിസ് നമ്മൾ ഭയങ്കര തമാശയായിരുന്നു. മിസ് നമ്മളെ കുറേ കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു, അറിയാത്ത കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു. നമ്മൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇഷ്ടത് ഇവിടുത്തെ മൈമിംഗ് ആണ്. മൈമിംഗ് ആക്ഷൻസ് വെച്ച് കാണിക്കുന്നതാണ്, സംസാരിക്കത്തില്ല. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വെച്ച് നോക്കിയാൽ മിസ് എനിക്ക് കുറേ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് കിട്ടി ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ. പിന്നെ അവരുടെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ കിട്ടി, മിസ്സിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ കിട്ടി. I joined here because I love voice, speech, drama, etc. And it's very fun here because I have many friends to help me, and I have learned many things: clowning, miming. We will paint the face and put funny clothes and do more fun things. And Miss is very interesting in all the things. It's very funny, and we play every games here.
I came to this workshop because I really like drama and expressing myself. We had speech and voice on the first 3 days. That was very informative. That was interesting. We played so many games. We learned how to speak when there's an unexpected situation.
So the organization that I run, Joy of Drama, is all about teaching life skills through drama. So we take drama as a learning medium, as a method to instill life skills such as collaboration, communication, clarity of thought, and then creativity into children. And what better than drama?